Let us understand Manopo in Filipino society. The Philippine population has been composed of different gender ages from young, adult to elder. The country is sometimes portrayed as Asia's only Christian nation. Manopo is a gesture of respect for an older person, regardless of gender, status in life, local or foreign, that is uniquely Filipino. Let us visit one household here in Parañaque and observe their way of living. The family of Gatchalian were just some of the typical Catholic household where they usually start their day just like how we all used to. We ask this question: what is the importance of Manopo?
Para ipakita na yung ginagalang mo yung matatanda, di ba? Para ipakita mo yung respeto mo sa kanila at ginagalang mo sila, hindi mo sila binabasa.
Kasi yung mano, para sa akin, nakalakihan ko na rin yun. Sa mga magulang ko, yun na rin ang tinuturo sa amin. Sa mga una-unahan pa ng mga ninuno namin. Kasi isang dahilan yun para maibigay mo yung respeto mo sa nakatatanda.
Para sa akin po is kung bakit tayo kailangan magmano or bakit tayong Pilipino ginagawa natin yung pagmamano sa mga nakakatanda is to pay respect to them kasi parang nakagisnan na natin na yun yung pag-pay natin ng respect sa kanila, pag-greet sa kanila.
In the Philippines, Manopo symbolizes the acknowledgement of wisdom and experience that come with age. It fosters a sense of connection between generations and reinforces the importance of family bonds. Nevertheless, the practice of Manopo means that the Filipino moral values are still active and alive. Manopo is the basic cultural identity of a Filipino.